going to show you how to crochet. All you're going to need is some yarn, any size you want, scissors for cutting, and last but not least, a crochet hook. Doesn't matter how big it is really, just so that you have one. Let's get into it. Okay, now you're going to put your scissors to the side, but you're going to still need them. And then you're going to grab the end of your yarn. And you're going to wrap it around your finger once, like so. And you're going to put your crochet hook in there. And you're going to grab the end and put it under your circle. And then you're going to tighten that. And you should be able to hold it by the yarn that's still left over. Now you're going to grab your pointer finger and you're going to wrap that like so around and try to do it tightly and close and move that like up there so that you can do this. And then as you see, you have that right there, that little string of yarn. So then with that string of yarn, you're going to go under it and then under this string, and then you're going to put in the string that's around your finger, and you're going to pull that off and you're going to tighten that on. And now you keep on doing that. So tighten up around your finger, under the one around, under the one right here, and down around the one around your finger. And then you wrap it around again and just keep on doing it. So like that, under the string, under that string, into there. So just keep on doing that. I'm going to do that right now. Once you've done that, hopefully you have something like this. Now, you're going to grab the scissors and you're going to cut this little piece. So I'm going to do that right now and you can do it too. Okay, now it should look like this without a string at the beginning. And if you want to keep this like this, and if you want to have this for some reason, for like a bracelet, if you made it longer, then you could make a knot right here, and you could cut the rest of the string off, and you'd take it off here, and you could have like a bracelet or something like that. But we're not going to do that. And you can watch part 2 if you want to know the other way how to crochet.